It's wild garlic season. The minute we hit spring, I start counting down the days for this beautiful wild garlic to start growing. So it's so easy to forage. There is another leaf that looks quite similar to it, but it's much thinner. The wild garlic leaf is broad like this. Beautiful, elegant kind of curve to it. And the key is when you tear it and smell it, it smells like the most beautiful, fresh garlic. It's fantastic. I'm going to make this into a wild garlic pesto, which will be used for a dip, or I can use it in pasta, I can use it in fish. It's also great chopped up and then smooth it into butter to fry with fish. You can also put it in focaccias, you can put it in my clou de soda bread. There are so many different ways to use it. It also freezes really well, so you can go out and have a forage and then just pop them into a freezer bag or into one of those tubs and freeze them. And they are also incredibly good for you. They're packed with iron. But the smell and the taste, and such a fun thing to do. Get out there, start foraging your wild garlic. Don't pull up the actual bulb because we want it to keep coming back and back. You just simply take it, snap it carefully, because we want this to grow and grow and grow. Oh, I'm so excited to get this wild garlic home in my kitchen. I'm going to make a delicious Moorish wild garlic pesto. Now, the best way to store your wild garlic is in a damp cloth. Wrap it up in it and pop it into the fridge. The damp cloth keeps it really lovely and fresh and pert. The smell is amazing. Oh wow, look at this. Look at the colour of it. So I'm going to chop all this up quite roughly. I'm not putting it into a food processor. I'm going to do it all by hand. God, as you're chopping it, the smell just bursts out. Now, pop all the chopped wild garlic into a big bowl. And that goes. And then I've got toasted almonds that I've chopped up and toasted on a frying pan. And I've also got chopped up toasted walnuts. You could use pine nuts, you could use hazelnuts as well. Mix whatever you want. That's just what I've got left in my cupboard. Putting in lots of olive oil, good quality olive oil, extra virgin, cold pressed if possible. All that goes in. And then some lovely Parmesan Reggiano. And then I'm going to add in the zest of lemon. It's really beautiful with the wild garlic and the pesto because it adds a really gorgeous freshness. Some sea salt, and then mix it all together. I'm storing it in a sterilised Kilner jar, or any kind of jar, whatever you have, in the fridge because it'll last for about a month. Now, it is so beautiful just as a dip, but it's gorgeous also with pasta, with lamb, with chicken, with fish. It is heavenly. And the last little spoon is for me.